Have you ever been confused by the different dashes in NPM commands? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the difference between single and double dashes in NPM commands, and I promise it will clear up any confusion you might have. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you're trying to execute commands and you're not sure what each option means. You're not the only one who has wondered about this, and it's a common question among developers. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user asked about the fundamental difference between using a single dash and a double dash in NPM commands. They provided examples like npm install-g and npm install xyz-save dev. Sound familiar? Let's break it down. So what do these dashes actually mean? In NPM commands, a single dash typically indicates a short option, while a double dash signifies a long option. Understanding this can help you use NPM more effectively. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a quick tip that will make your NPM experience even smoother. To understand the difference between a single dash and a double dash in NPM commands, let's start with the single dash. The user should know that a single dash is typically used for short options. In contrast, the double dash is used for long options. These options are more descriptive and often easier to understand. Now let's look at some specific examples. When the user runs npm install-g, they are installing a package globally. This means it will be available system-wide. On the other hand, when the user uses npm install xyz-save dev, they are installing a package as a development dependency. This means it will only be used during development. In summary, the user should remember that single dashes are for short options, while double dashes are for long options. This distinction helps in understanding NPM commands better. Fun fact, did you know that the dash character has been used in programming since the early days of computing? It's a small symbol with a big impact. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that a single dash or hyphen is typically an abbreviation for a longer command that starts with a double dash. For instance, using npm install-d is the same as npm install save dev. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. This user clarifies that the difference between a single dash and a double dash in npm commands is based on convention. A single dash, like d, is used for one-character switches, while a double dash, like -save, is for longer, multiple-character options. Both types of switches are optional. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check the NPM documentation for the commands you are using. It can save you a lot of time and confusion in the long run. And there you have it. Now you know the difference between single and double dashes in NPM commands. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights.